Hey, so we're a team of developers, engineers, the AI researchers, now the nice keyword that you want to hear in your development team. And we build agents, we build interesting solutions so businesses can automate things. But the one thing that we really, really strive on is building AI enabled solutions. So in the last 6 months, we have built about 7 projects, more or less, or probably more, that are all in AI enabled. So first one was Mumble, that is essentially a meeting note taker. It takes meeting notes, then it uses these meeting notes to generate tasks. From those tasks, it's populated in the project management system, so tasks are tracked, and then it automatically helps the project manager. This was a solution that I was really, really pushing for in our team, and I really love it. The concept is very simple, but it's very, very beneficial. Obviously, you can do it by sticking together many things like meeting recordings, then using Fireflies or other solutions to process it. And then third option is to upload it in your project management tool. That's a hustle, but Mumble did it on its own. Then we did a logo craft. So we needed something to generate logos. So we created logo craft where it essentially takes the business idea and then transforms it into a logo. Then we did GenHuman. GenHuman is something that we're still building, but I love the concept on that. And this is essentially you take, let's say, my picture, 30 variations. Then it creates an AI twin. That AI twin will look almost like me. Obviously, AI has tells. For now, it's mostly mouth. Teeth are always perfect. And then going from there, you generate script, and then the AI does the AI's thing. And then in some sense, you could potentially replace me in the near future. Well, that's the hope, right? And then that was GenHuman. GenHuman's awesome. Gonna have it launched soon, so that's going to be interesting to see. Obviously, making a perfect AI twin is a bit difficult, and half-assing it doesn't make sense, right? Then we built out Orphic game. That was something interesting. Essentially, a game where each next step is based on your choice. So it's a multiple choice game where you start as a wizard or whatever, and then as you progress, the game changes, right? So you start with this, and depending on what answer you provide, the next scene is generated right there on the spot, including visuals. That's an interesting project. It has many use cases around that. What else did we build recently? So AI gens. Oh, so yeah, PDF to presentation. The project that we're working on right now is a converter. So how would converter would be a very understatement. So essentially what it does, you upload your training PDF, and that PDF gets transformed into a nice presentation, and we're going to hook it up with GenHuman AI avatar. So a avatar lecturer reads that PDF and that presentation to you, making it easier for people who, for example, can't read and consume materials. They're visual learners, so they see a presentation and they hear a lecturer who could be AI twin from a person from your company speak about this topic. And then obviously we implement the Orphic tech in the quiz. So let's say the user answers questions. We notice that they are lacking in terms of knowledge into direction of topic A. The next 5 questions would be generated right there on the spot for the user on the topic A, so they learn that more. And obviously then you can work on each employee individually to make sure that they qualify for the skills that they need to. And the most interesting and the most long-term project that we're looking to build out and we're building right now is geospatial intelligence. So right now there's a whole bunch of data available about how the Earth is. So that's satellite data, there's other data, and we're looking to combine that data with sensor fusion to really see what's happening what's happening on the space and our specific use case. So that's something that I'm going to share with you in the not so distant future. But that's also a very, very interesting topic to work on. So we've been working with all these things for the last 6 to 9 months, and it's a very interesting journey. Considering how AI has evolved and considering what good engineers with AI can achieve these days, is amazing. So if you're looking for a good AI team that help implement your new idea, hit me up and we'll hook you up with something interesting. We also launched our new website, and let me tell you, this is built on Gemini 3 and it's one-shotted. So that means it's one prompt to generate the whole thing. It's amazing what you can do with AI if you know how to do it. And right now, like projects used to take 3 months, 5 months, 6 months to build. Now you can build a a proof of concept in like a week or two max. Then you can clean it up, test it for let's say a month or 2 months, and then you can deploy it in production or in proper environment, and then still see how it is. And you can squeeze it all in 3 months, like the whole thing. It used to take at least 3 to 6 months to build it, depending how you approached it. Maybe you could receive some versions earlier, and then it would take about that much time to make sure it all works fine. So now AI has squeezed that timeline so small. So again, if you want something built, hit me up. We'll discuss it. We'll see what we can do. And AI is possible today.